Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present perfect. Interrogative sentences. Have you done? Questions and answers. For interrogative sentences, the auxiliary verb to have is placed before the subject. Structure. Have has plus subject plus past participle plus complement plus closing question mark. Examples: where has he gone?
Where has he gone?
Where has he gone?
He has gone to the countryside.
He has gone to the countryside.
He has gone to the countryside.
Have you finished reading the book?
Have you finished reading the book?
Have you finished reading the book?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Have you seen my cell phone?
Have you seen my cell phone?
Have you seen my cell phone?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Have you traveled a lot?
Have you traveled a lot?
Have you traveled a lot?
No, not much.
No, not much.
No, not much.
Have you heard anything from Tim recently?
Have you heard anything from Tim recently?
Have you heard anything from Tim recently?
No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Have you two met?
Have you two met?
Have you two met?
Yes, we know each other.
Yes, we know each other.
Yes, we know each other.
Have you heard the news?
Have you heard the news?
Have you heard the news?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Have you seen Fanny?
Have you seen Fanny?
Have you seen Fanny?
No, I haven't seen it.
No, I haven't seen it.
No, I haven't seen it.
Where have you been all day?
Where have you been all day?
Where have you been all day?
I've been playing on my computer.
I've been playing on my computer.
I've been playing on my computer.
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
Where has your brother gone?
Where has your brother gone?
Where has your brother gone?
He has gone to Russia.
He has gone to Russia.
He has gone to Russia.
How many times has he failed an exam?
How many times has he failed an exam?
How many times has he failed an exam?
Only twice.
Only twice.
Only twice.
Who have you invited to the party?
Who have you invited to the party?
Who have you invited to the party?
To my cousins.
To my cousins.
To my cousins.
What have you cooked for dinner?
What have you cooked for dinner?
What have you cooked for dinner?
I have cooked spaghetti.
I have cooked spaghetti.
I have cooked spaghetti.
What have you said?
What have you said?
What have you said?
Nothing.
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 Have you gone shopping at the supermarket?
Have you gone shopping at the supermarket?
Have you gone shopping at the supermarket?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Have you had a holiday this year?
Have you had a holiday this year?
Have you had a holiday this year?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Has she skated on ice?
Has she skated on ice?
Has she skated on ice?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Has he brought your homework?
Has he brought your homework?
Has he brought your homework?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Have you bought the newspaper?
Have you bought the newspaper?
Have you bought the newspaper?
No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Have you seen the painting?
Have you seen the painting?
Have you seen the painting?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Have you looked out of your window?
Have you looked out of your window?
Have you looked out of your window?
Yes, just for a while.
Yes, just for a while.
Yes, just for a while.
Has he done his homework?
Has he done his homework?
Has he done his homework?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Hasn't it snowed since last year?
Hasn't it snowed since last year?
Hasn't it snowed since last year?
Yes, it has.
Yes, it has.
Yes, it has.
Has the cat eaten?
Has the cat eaten?
Has the cat eaten?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Where have they gone on holiday?
Where have they gone on holiday?
Where have they gone on holiday?
They have gone to the mountains.
They have gone to the mountains.
They have gone to the mountains.
Has she written a novel?
Has she written a novel?
Has she written a novel?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Has it stopped snowing?
Has it stopped snowing?
Has it stopped snowing?
No, it's still snowing.
No, it's still snowing.
No, it's still snowing.
Has he studied all night?
Has he studied all night?
Has he studied all night?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Have we learned from our mistakes?
Have we learned from our mistakes?
Have we learned from our mistakes?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Have you gone to the concert with your friends?
Have you gone to the concert with your friends?
Have you gone to the concert with your friends?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Has he fixed his toy plane?
Has he fixed his toy plane?
Has he fixed his toy plane?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Has she modeled lately?
Has she modeled lately?
Has she modeled lately?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Have you passed your driving test?
Have you passed your driving test?
Have you passed your driving test?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Has he driven his car?
Has he driven his car?
Has he driven his car?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Has she watered her garden?
Has she watered her garden?
Has she watered her garden?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Have you had any pets?
Have you had any pets?
Have you had any pets?
Yes, lots of pets.
Yes, lots of pets.
Yes, lots of pets.
Has your cat caught mice?
Has your cat caught mice?
Has your cat caught mice?
No, he hasn't.
No, he hasn't.
No, he hasn't.
Have they traveled far?
Have they traveled far?
Have they traveled far?
Yes, very far away.
Yes, very far away.
Yes, very far away.
Has she had children?
Has she had children?
Has she had children?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Has he played tennis lately?
Has he played tennis lately?
Has he played tennis lately?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Has her dad bought her a skateboard?
Has her dad bought her a skateboard?
Has her dad bought her a skateboard?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Have your aunt come to visit?
Have your aunt come to visit?
Have your aunt come to visit?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Have your parents bought a new house?
Have your parents bought a new house?
Have your parents bought a new house?
Yes, they have.
Yes, they have.
Yes, they have.
Has he gotten a new job?
Has he gotten a new job?
Has he gotten a new job?
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Has the church bell rung on Sunday?
Has the church bell rung on Sunday?
Has the church bell rung on Sunday?
Yes, but only to chimes.
Yes, but only to chimes.
Yes, but only to chimes.
Have you ever sung in public?
Have you ever sung in public?
Have you ever sung in public?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Has she called you today?
Has she called you today?
Has she called you today?
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Have you eaten fruit lately?
Have you eaten fruit lately?
Have you eaten fruit lately?
Yes, a bit.
Yes, a bit.
Yes, a bit.
Thanks.
For watching.